Space Shuttles, Probes, and Satellites by Grayce T. and Megsy. Sounds like Megsy.
Satellites. Satellites in space are used for examining the solar system.
Just start over. Just start over. Okay, no. It's okay.
Satellites are supposed to use for examining the solar system and Earth, and also orbiting planets and stars. There are cameras in the satellites, so it can take pictures of space, and then we can observe them to see what is in space. Lastly, it can monitor wildfires, volcanoes, and their smoke.
More about satellites. Satellites can get info on clouds, oceans, lands, and ice. They can also measure gas in the atmosphere, such as the ozone and carbon dioxide. Another thing is that it can measure the amount of energy that Earth absorbs and emits. Awesome video.
Did you see that?
So it just launched the satellite up into space, and now it's over Earth. This is a space shuttle.
Space shuttle. Space shuttles were created as a reusable launch vehicle to carry astronauts, people, and cargo into space multiple times. So it is like an airplane that travels to space that is more powerful.
Expected data hits, it'll clear shortly.
Copy.
Sorry about that. Better start from the beginning.
Go for auto sequence start.
Go for auto sequence start.
And we have a go for auto sequence start. Discovery's onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 17 seconds and count. 7, 6, main engine start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
Discovery roll program.
Houston now controlling the flight of Discovery. The Space Shuttle begins the journey back into orbit. Discovery completes its roll.
Look how high it is.
I think I'd puke for that.
This is a space probe.
Space probe. Space probes are used like satellites. NASA puts space probes onto planets to see what's on it. It is an unpiloted,
That was my
unmanned
line.
device sent to space to explore gather scientific info.
I get 2 in a row. More about space probes. Space probes are launched from Earth and uses tools to study the atmosphere and composition of space, planets, moons, and or celestial bodies. It can be far out in space, and most probes transmit data from space by radio. Even more about space probes. There are different kinds of space probes, and the next generation of space probes will take and study data samples from different comets, asteroids, and eventually Mars.
When we explore planets for the first time, often we're completely surprised by what we found. And the same is...
So intense.
January the 14th, 2005. After a 7-year trek across the solar system, a 400 million pound space probe had just started its fiery entry into Titan's atmosphere.
Titan is Saturn's largest moon, by the way, people.
One small malfunction, and a lifetime's work would be for nothing.
If we had lost the probe for whatever technical reasons, then, we could regard the previous 15 years as having been wasted.
From one of the largest largest radio telescopes on Earth, a tiny signal was picked up.
It looks like we heard the baby crying. We still can't understand what it tells us, but clearly the probe is transmitting.
Not much stronger than a mobile phone. The signal was coming from over 1 billion kilometers away, direct from Titan. The probe was alive.
Okay, the first satellite was Sputnik 1 and was launched in 1957 in the Soviet Union.
Thanks
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Even though we messed up a jillion times.